Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to blur in Canva. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open your Canva account and this is what it looks like. So let me remind you that I'm currently using the basic version. It's not a pro version. So to start, you just have to simply drag your file here or your image here. Now, if you're using Pro Canva, you will see the option here that says remove background or effects like blur. But since we're using the basic version, so we have to locate the settings. So to do that, you just have to simply tap this one here and look for effects. Scroll down till you see this blur effects here. So it's up to you if you drag it up, meaning the intensity is strong. If you drag it down, then the intensity of the effect is not that strong. As you can see, it will be so clear. Okay, so to make it as blur as possible, try to drag it up. So to see how cool this blur effect is, you just have to follow what I'm going to do. You just have to simply copy this picture, tap this plus icon here, and then in this first picture, we're going to intense the blur effect. Okay, so this serve as my background. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we were going to drag this first picture here. If you're using the Pro Canva or if you're using the Pro version, you can just simply tap the second photo and then tap this background remover and it will remove the background right away. But since I don't have one, so I have to use other application like background remover, something like that. But I suggest that you upgrade your Canva so that it would be a less hassle for you. So yes, you just have to tap this one, then it will remove the background. So the result is just like this. Okay. And what you're going to do is just simply drag the picture, the same position with your background. Okay, so you can also adjust the size if you want, but for me, I just want to make it simple as this. Same with the picture. Okay, so as you can see, we have this blur background effect, and then the subject of the picture is very clear, which is this person. So that's it, and I really hope that somehow this video helped you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.